5 passive income ideas to learn from home. Passive income can be a great way to help you generate extra cash flow, whether you're running a side hustle or just trying to get a little extra dough each month, especially as inflation rages throughout the economy. With passive income, you can have money coming in even as you pursue your primary job. Or if you are able to build up a solid stream of passive income, you might want to kick back a little. Either way, a passive income gives you extra security. And if you're worried about being able to save enough money of your earnings to meet your retirement goals, building wealth through passive income is a strategy that might appeal to you too. So let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 passive income ideas to earn from home. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. Passive income includes regular earnings from a source other than an employer or contractor, and it can come from 2 sources: rental properties or a business in which one does not actively participate, such as being paid book royalties or stock dividends. In practice, you may do some or all of the work up front, but passive income often involves some additional labor along the way too. You may have to keep your product updated or your rental property well maintained in order to keep the passive dollars flowing. But if you're committed to the strategy, it can be a great way to generate income, and you'll create some extra financial security for yourself along the way. So if you're thinking about creating a passive income stream, check out these 5 strategies and learn what it takes to be successful with them. So, let's get started. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, website owners, social media influencers, or bloggers promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on their site or social media account. Amazon might be the best-known affiliate partner, but eBay, a win and share a sale are among the larger names too. And Instagram and TikTok have become huge platforms for those looking to grow a following and promote products. You could also consider growing an email list to draw attention to your blog, or otherwise direct people to products and services they might want. When a visitor clicks on the link and makes a purchase from the third-party affiliate, the site owner earns a commission. The commission might range from 3 to 7%, so it will likely take significant traffic to your site to generate serious income. But if you can grow your following or have a more lucrative niche, you may be able to make some serious coin. So affiliate marketing is considered passive because, in theory, you can earn money just by adding a link to your site or social media account. However, in reality, you won't earn anything if you can't attract readers to your site to click on the link and buy something. Number 2. Sell photography online. Selling photography online might not be the most obvious place to set up a passive business, but it could allow you to scale your efforts, especially if you can sell the same photos over and over again. To do that, you might work with an organization such as Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy. To get started, you'll have to be approved by the platform, and then you license your photos to be used by whomever downloads them. The platform then pays you every time someone uses your photo. You'll need photos that appeal to a specific audience or that represent a certain scene, and you'll need to tease out where the demand is. Photos can be shots with models, landscapes, creative scenarios, and more. Or they could capture real events that might make the news. Part of the value of selling or licensing your photos through a platform is that you have the potential to scale your efforts, especially if you can provide pictures that will be in demand. That means you could potentially sell the same image hundreds or even thousands of times over. However, you could add hundreds of photos to a platform such as Getty Images and not have any of them really generate meaningful sales, because only a few photos may drive all your revenue. So you have to keep adding photos as you search for the needle in the haystack. So it may require substantial effort to go out and shoot photos, then process them, and keep up with the events that may ultimately drive your revenue. And motivation can be hard to maintain because every next photo might be your lottery ticket. Number 3. Sponsored posts on social media. Do you have a strong following on social media, such as Instagram or TikTok? If you do, you can get growing consumer brands to pay you to post about their product or otherwise feature it in your feed. You'll need to keep filling your profile with content that draws in your audience though, and that means continuing to create posts that grow your reach and engage your followers on social media. In simple words, leveraging your social media presence is an attractive business model. Draw eyeballs and clicks to your profile with strong content and then monetize that content by setting up sponsor posts from brands that appeal to your followers. But getting started here can be a catch, as you need a large audience to get meaningful sponsored posts. But you're not an attractive option until you get a meaningful audience. So you'll have to focus a lot of time first on growing your audience with no guarantee that you'll be successful. You can end up spending tons of time following the trends and building content in the hopes that you eventually get the sponsorship that you're aiming for. And even when you've got the sponsored post you're looking for, you'll need to keep posting to draw in your audience and remain an attractive option for advertisers. That means committing to more time and monetary investment, even if you have a lot of autonomy on exactly when to do it. Number 4. Rent out your home short-term. This straightforward strategy takes advantage of space that you're not using anyway and turns it into a money-making opportunity. If you're going away for the summer or have to be out of town for a while, or maybe even just want to travel, consider renting out your current space while you're gone. You can list your space on any number of websites, such as Airbnb, and set the rental terms yourself. You'll collect a check for your efforts with minimal extra work, especially if you're renting to a tenant who may be in place for a few months. However, you don't have a lot of financial downside here, though letting strangers stay in your house is a risk that's atypical of most passive investments. Tenants may deface or even destroy your property, or even steal valuables. So be very careful and consider this opportunity from every angle before making a decision. Number 5. Create a blog or YouTube channel. Are you an expert on travel to Thailand, a maven of Minecraft, a sultan of swing dancing? Take your passion for a subject and turn it into a blog or a YouTube channel, using ads or sponsors to generate your income. Find a popular subject, even a small niche, and become an expert on it. At first, you'll have to build out a suite of content and draw an audience, but it can create a steady income stream over time as you become known for your engaging content. You can leverage a free or a low-cost platform, then use your great content to build a following. The more unique your voice or area of interest, the better for you to become the person to follow, then draw sponsors to you. The real downside here is that you can outlay a bunch of your time and resources with little to show for it if there's limited interest in your subject or niche. Your area of expertise may be too niche to really draw a profitable audience, but you won't be sure of that until you experiment. So this is a great way of generating passive income if you have the skills. Now, the question of which passive income source is best depends on several factors, but some of the most important include the amount of money you have to invest, the total opportunity size, your interest and ability in the area, the amount of time you need to invest, and the potential to succeed. Typically, the lower the barriers to entry, the more crowded the field of competitors, and the lower likelihood of success. So you'll need to weigh the opportunity against these factors and see which passive income strategy works best for you. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Which investment did you like the most? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.